Hi, my name is Ivar Pedersen and I am a PhD candidate in the BRU21 program. I have a master's degree in mechanical engineering and I worked in maintenance in several years in the process industry before I started in this PhD position. In the BRU21 program, I belong to the area of operations, maintenance, safety and security, and the title of my PhD project is Industry 4.0 and Smart Predictive Maintenance. The recent development in sensor technology and systems for collecting, storing and analyzing large amount of data is expected to bring big changes in the coming years. And predictive maintenance is a specific application of this technological development. By predictive maintenance, we mean a maintenance policy where we use predictions of the remaining useful life of an item to make our maintenance decisions. In my PhD project, I will use stochastic approaches to make such predictions, and I will especially focus on the Wiener process. I am funded by NTNU, but I work together with Lundin in my PhD project.